such as with oils or dust, then adhesive failure will result when the joint moves. Good prep work can easily prevent this. Even when good adhesion is achieved, joints sometimes still fail. When the sealant tears apart, we call this cohesive failure, which results from excessive joint movement or improper sealant selection. One common example of cohesive failure happens when a sealant bonds to all three sides of a joint. This is known as three-sided adhesion. The most common example of three-sided adhesion is in a head-of-wall joint where a bead of sealant might be bonded to the steel deck on top, the top track on the side, and the cut edge of the gypsum board on the bottom. When adhesion occurs only on two sides, the joint moves freely and the sealant moves with it. But when the sealant bonds to a third side in a joint, the sealant becomes glued shut and will be torn apart when the joint opens. The way to eliminate three-sided adhesion is to install a bond breaker like backer rod or a bond breaker tape before installing the sealant. The final cause of sealant failure really isn't failure of the sealant at all, but of the surface that it's bonded to. When a fire stop seal is bonded to a wall or floor that's damaged or weak, the seal will hold, but will pull the substrate apart when the joint moves. This is called substrate failure. A common example of substrate failure is old spalling concrete. Another example is in joint